Your Girard Tankless water heater keeps shutting off mainly when it goes through an interruption in the power supply. For instance, the circuit breaker and heater on/off switch are the first factors to check for. Verify the dedicated circuit breaker for your heater and make sure it is not tripped off. If so, just reset it. Then, remove the front panel and ensure the heater power switch and fuse are in well working order. Above all, you must connect your RV tankless unit to a 12 VDC electrical power system. If still, the problem persists, it would be from poor fuel supply. Inspect the LP tank to see if there is sufficient fuel for ignition. Also, make sure that there is also obstruction in the gas supply line, and if yes, clean it. Bad gas valve. Inspect the gas valve assembly from the heater inside and ensure it is in perfect working order. Figure out the defects at the gas valve connectors or wiring and fix them. Faulty thermostat switch. Unlike other RV tankless models, Girard Tankless water heater has built-in thermostat switches or eco switches inside that are designed to regulate the temperature. If it starts malfunctioning, the heater won't stay on longer. For instance, inspect the switch and measure the continuity of it. If needed, replace the bad one. Sediment buildup. If it is a long time since you've concentrated on your water heater maintenance, be sure it is time to do that. Scale buildup in the heat exchanger, burner, and other ignition parts leads to shutting off the system constantly. As a fix, descale and flush out your heater to remove the scale buildup. Insufficient airflow. Inspect the exhaust venting and air inlet screen for any blockages. Just clean it to ensure fluent airflow throughout the unit. Otherwise, the eco switch will keep tripping off and shut off the unit. Failed control board. Last but not least, if the control board fails, the normal powering process of the system will get stalled. Thus, it is another major factor that you need to check in this issue. We'd recommend contacting a professional to test your control board if you're technically inclined.